Good morning, El Dorado High School. Our dual credit geology students have done a wonderful job in recreating the geologic time scale. All of this is completely to scale, and so let's take a look at it. Over here, we're representing 4.6 billion years ago with the formation of the Earth, and then the Earth was hit by a Mars-sized planet, which eventually formed the moon back during the Hadean. And then we get into the Archean eon. We had lots of volcanism back then. And then later in the Archean, we start seeing the first appearance of cyanobacteria that would form stromatolites, some of our first fossils. We get into the Proterozoic with slightly more advanced life, the first appearance of algae, and our first supercontinent, Rodinia, formed. We get into the Paleoproterozoic, and we get other forms of life. And you can see that the vast majority of geologic time is here during the Proterozoic eon. Eventually, we had life forms as complex as, you got it, jellyfish. Then we get into the Paleozoic. Paleozoic is the Cambrian, the Ordovician, the Silurian, the Devonian, the Mississippian, the Pennsylvanian, and the Permian. You can see that we have a massive explosion of life here. And then we also, during the late Paleozoic, we have the formation of Pangaea. Pangaea existed until the early Mesozoic and began to drift apart during the Jurassic. Everybody remembers the Mesozoic as the age of the dinosaurs. Then eventually we get into what we call now the Cenozoic, which is where we are right now. And most of the divisions of geologic time that we know of right now are right here in the Cenozoic, because we know a lot more about these younger rocks than the other periods. And so you can see that we have a lot more information here. Have a great day, Aztecs. Take care.